be vain.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh god, I'm so excited because today I have a wig I received from Tinashe hair. Oh my god, I love Tinashe hair. If you notice, I've been reviewing their hair for a very long time now and I really like their hair. So this time around I got the box with the hair and I got another bag with some goodies inside. And so yeah, I love this bonnet they sent to me. Look how lovely it is. It has good quality. I have some lashes, some pamphlets and a hairband and some goodies inside. So yeah, onto the wig. The wig came in the box like that and is wrapped up in a plastic bag like that, and when it's out, this is what it looks like. So this wig is their 13 by 4 HD lace front wig. Is 24 inches, and the lace on this wig is amazing. Look at how nice that is, and it is deep because it's 13 by 4. So from side is deep, middle is deep. The hairline is already plugged. The combs are inside there just in case you want to wear them and make sure that they are really secured on your head. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut off the lace at the back. Alright, so that's the lace off, and I'm just trying to see what I can do. So I'm putting this on first to see what I can do. And guys, like you can see, this is what it looks like. The lace on this the lace is already bleached. But sometimes we have to just add a little bit of foundation on the lace to properly match our skin color. Everybody's skin is different, so sometimes when you get your lace, you just need to just customize it a little bit to match you. So I just use my foundation to just add, and you see the difference after I put my foundation. The lace is just like the color of my skin. Alright, so what I'm doing next is to just pluck a little bit on the hairline to remove any harshness. But this lace already plucked, guys, don't get me wrong, but I just want to just do a little bit more so that it can match what I'm going for. I didn't do much, just a little bit, just to remove some part there. And yeah, okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is to apply my got to be glue. I'm just going to just dab it on a little bit around the perimeter of my hairline, and I make sure that is a little bit tacky, and I spray in my got to be glue. These are basic way of wearing your wigs, but guys, some people don't know how to do this method. Some people don't have patience to watch review videos, so they don't see how people wear their wigs, but they're interested in buying the wig. They tell you, oh, can I buy this wig? Where can I get this wig from? I'm like, oh, there's a link under the description there, just get it. And when they buy it, they can't even wear it because they are not paying attention to how to wear it. I don't think I'm the best person to teach how to wear lace wig, but guys, I'm trying and I'm happy because every day I improve, and I like to watch other people when they do theirs, and I take correction. That is how to basically do it. Just learn new thing every day and try to practice it, and you'll become good. Guys, I love this HD lace. This lace is the bomb.com. Like, can you see how nice it is, like really really nice. It blends so perfectly well. So what I'm gonna do next is just cut that parts of excess lace that's on the ear. Make sure that your ear is balanced. If your ear is not balanced, like it's not sitting properly, you might have a headache. So don't even try it. Make sure that you cut enough that that space there. Then I just went ahead and just blow dry it. Also using my hot iron, and then spray more of that got to be gel. So spray. Then so I went ahead and cut the other side, and I just went ahead and cut around the whole lace, and it's very easy to do it. If you watch on up to this moment, then you might be able to wear your wig by yourself, because this is very simple. This is a beginner friendly. This is the basics of how to just wear your wig. And the next thing is just for you to cut off the one in the front. So now I'm going to just use an elastic band to tie it, and this step is very very important. Don't skip it. This will just marry your lace and your hair together, and everything will just be so slick. So I just waited for a while, like 10 to 20 minutes. If you like, if you want to speed it up, you can use your hair dryer to speed that up. And then you see how everything just went very quickly and nice. You can use anything to just clean the excess gel that you have in front of your hair. So for this video I'm going for a center part. So yeah, what I need to do is just to create the part and just make sure that all is laid flat. And so for the quality of this hair is really amazing. Is a straight hair, but for today I just want to add some curls today. And this hair, I really really love it. The density is good. It's very 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 true to length. And yeah, so if you are interested in purchasing this hair, make sure that you check the description box for the link that will take you directly to this wig. And there could be coupon code, I don't know, but if there's anything at all, you definitely see it in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Always check the description box under for details to this amazing and lovely wig. Alright, so to further define my part, I just went ahead and used my concealer, and I just dab, and that gave me a very clear looking scalp, very nice part there that I got. And guys, I really love this wig. This wig is very easy to install. When a wig is good, guys, it's easy to install. I think this is really nice to find HD looking really transparent, looking really beautiful. So like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my curling wand to just put just few curls on it. But you can actually wear this hair straight because it's originally straight, but I just wanted to just put curls on it. Alright, so when I finish, this is what it looks like. I just use my hand to just comb through, and this is what you get. And I really love my curls. I just love this hair. It's so soft, it doesn't tangle. The quality of this hair is amazing, and it's a natural black, and your girl here is rocking it. So later on I just like, okay, let me just comb it out to see if I can have bold coils. Yeah, and yeah, that's what I got. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this styling, and how the lace melted, and I like how my hairline looks natural, no baby hairs, nothing. So guys, so let me know what you think. If you're a beginner, don't be afraid to try. Just go ahead, get the products that I use in this video. Get this wig especially because it has good lace on it. and just slay it, and yeah, you will love it. Thanks so much guys for watching, and until my next one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. See you in my next one guys. Bye.